Most people spend their entire lives chasing the next big revolutionary idea. They hunt for viral tech startups, unpredictable crypto moonshots, or oversaturated dropshipping stores. But if you look closely at the ultra-wealthy elite, you will notice a fascinating pattern. The people building real, long-term, sustained wealth aren't risking everything on volatile tech apps. They are building boring, repeatable, and essential businesses. Businesses that operate quietly in the background. Businesses that solve simple everyday problems and generate predictable recurring revenue month after month, even while the owner is fast asleep. Welcome back to Money with AI. Today, we are breaking down 20 highly profitable, low-maintenance, and boring businesses that you can start or buy today to generate over $10,000 a month. We will cover startup costs, income potential, and the exact operating models that make them passive. Let's dive in. Number 1. Commercial cleaning and janitorial contracting. Startup cost is between $1,000 to $5,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $30,000 per month. While residential house cleaning requires constant scheduling and small payouts, commercial contracts operate on high-ticket monthly retainers. Offices, medical clinics, auto dealerships, and schools pay guaranteed fees to keep their premises compliant and clean. You don't mop the floors yourself. You hire reliable operational crews, set up standard operating procedures, and manage the high-margin corporate client contracts. Number 2. Mobile power washing and fleet cleaning. Startup cost is $3,000 to $8,000, with an income potential of $4,000 to $15,000 per month. Trucking fleets, gas station drive-thrus, commercial parking garages, and building exteriors accumulate dirt and oil rapidly. Government health and safety codes force corporate entities to wash their equipment regularly. B2B clients sign recurring quarterly or monthly service contracts, giving you fully automated and predictable cash flow. Number 3. Parking lot striping and maintenance. Startup cost is $2,000 to $6,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Commercial real estate properties are legally required to maintain visible parking lines, handicap spaces, and fire lanes. Paint fades every 12 to 18 months. With a basic line striping machine and simple stencils, you provide a non-technical, high-margin service that property management companies gladly outsource.
Number 4. Dumpster rental and roll-off services. Startup cost is $15,000 to $40,000, with an income potential of $8,000 to $35,000 per month. Construction sites, residential renovators, and commercial clearouts constantly require short-term waste containers. You purchase a flatbed truck and several roll-off dumpsters. You drop them off at customer locations, pick them up after a week, and empty them at local transfer stations for predictable rental fees. Number 5. Vending machine routes. Startup cost is $2,000 to $10,000, with an income potential of $2,000 to $10,000 per month across multiple machines. Placing modern, card reader-enabled vending machines in high-traffic distribution centers, corporate break rooms, or hospitals provides automated cash daily. You restock inventory once a week or hire a local operator to manage the replenishment while collecting pure passive profit. Number 6. Unmanned self-storage facilities. Startup cost requires $50,000 or more as a down payment, with an income potential of $10,000 to $100,000 per month depending on facility size. According to industry data, 1 in 10 Americans pays for a self-storage unit every month. There are no tenants to evict, no complex plumbing to repair, and 0 full-time staff required. Keypad entry gates, automated online booking systems, and digital billing make this business virtually 95% hands-off once established. Number 7. Laundromats with digital access. Startup cost is $20,000 to $80,000, with an income potential of $4,000 to $20,000 per month. Laundromats fulfill an essential, recession-proof human need. Average profit margins range from 20 to 35%. Modern laundromats eliminate physical quarters by utilizing app-based or card payment systems. Customers pay upfront before utilizing the service, resulting in 0 unpaid invoices or collection issues. Number 8. Express tunnel car washes. Startup cost requires significant capital, with an income potential of $15,000 to $50,000 per month. Automated drive-through car washes generate exceptional recurring revenue, particularly when offering monthly unlimited membership subscriptions. Subscription models secure stable cash flow regardless of seasonal weather fluctuations. Number 9, 24/7 Ice Vending Kiosks. Startup cost is $40,000 to $90,000, with an income potential of $3,000 to $12,000 per month. Freestanding automated ice machines hook up directly to municipal water lines, filter the water, freeze it, and dispense bagged ice automatically 24 hours a day. Profit margins exceed 70% per bag sold because product manufacturing costs are minimal. Number 10, Billboard and digital signage rentals. Startup cost is $10,000 to $50,000, with an income potential of $3,000 to $25,000 per month. Owning land rights or roadside digital billboard structures along busy expressways allows you to rent advertising slots to local businesses on multi-year contracts. Digital displays allow you to rotate 8 to 10 local advertisers on a single screen, compounding your income streams. Number 11, heavy equipment and tool rental. Startup cost is $10,000 to $30,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Small contractors and homeowners frequently need specialized equipment such as excavators, skid steers, floor sanders, and scaffolding for temporary projects. Buying equipment and renting it out on daily rates yields steady returns, with high asset resale value down the line. Number 12, automated dog wash stations. Startup cost is $15,000 to $35,000, with an income potential of $2,500 to $8,000 per month. Self-service dog washing tubs installed near busy pet stores, apartment complexes, or parks operate automatically. Pet owners tap their credit card, wash their pets using built-in warm water sprayers and dryers, and leave without you ever needing to be on site. Number 13, residential doorstep valet trash services. Startup cost is $1,000 to $3,000, with an income potential of $4,000 to $18,000 per month. Contracting with large multifamily apartment communities to collect trash bags directly from residents' doorsteps 5 nights a week generates predictable, contract-backed monthly fees per apartment unit. Number 14, mobile document shredding. Startup cost is $20,000 to $60,000, with an income potential of $6,000 to $22,000 per month. Law firms, healthcare facilities, and financial institutions are legally obligated by federal privacy laws to securely destroy physical confidential records. On-site shredding trucks visit corporate clients on weekly or monthly schedules. Number 15, portable sanitation and event restrooms. Startup cost is $10,000 to $35,000, with an income potential of $5,000 to $25,000 per month. Outdoor construction projects, agricultural fields, and community events require portable restrooms by law. Weekly maintenance routes ensure consistent B2B rental contracts with zero marketing churn. Number 16, existing niche trade acquisitions. Startup cost is $25,000 to $75,000, with an income potential of $10,000 to $50,000 per month. Instead of starting from scratch, acquiring an established plumbing, HVAC, or roofing business with an existing crew allows you to step in as an executive owner rather than a field technician. Existing businesses offer an established customer base and immediate cash flow. Number 17, pest control routes. Startup cost is $3,000 to $10,000, with an income potential of $6,000 to $20,000 per month. Termites, rodents, and insects are an ongoing problem. Homeowners and restaurants sign annual or quarterly pest management agreements, making this an extremely predictable subscription service model. Number 18, commercial fire extinguisher inspection. Startup cost is $2,000 to $5,000, with an income potential of $4,000 to $15,000 per month. Commercial buildings must pass strict annual fire safety mandates. Inspecting, recharging, and tagging fire extinguishers is legally enforced, providing high retention B2B income year after year. Number 19, commercial landscaping and snow removal. Startup cost is $8,000 to $25,000, with an income potential of $8,000 to $40,000 per month. Homeowner associations and commercial office parks pay fixed monthly retainers for year-round lawn maintenance, seasonal planting, and emergency winter snow removal. Number 20, medical equipment leasing. Startup cost is $15,000 to $50,000, with an income potential of $7,000 to $30,000 per month. Leasing specialized medical beds, wheelchairs, and diagnostic devices to local outpatient clinics and home healthcare patients generates steady, long-term monthly rental payments. So, what is the single invisible principle that ties all 20 of these boring businesses together? It is inelastic demand combined with contractual recurring cash flow. None of these businesses rely on hype, social media algorithms, or booming economic cycles. They solve unglamorous, everyday problems that individuals, property managers, and corporations must pay for regardless of inflation or recession. As Morgan Housel wisely noted, focusing on what won't change over the next 10 years is far more profitable than trying to predict what will. Stop chasing high-risk, volatile ideas. Start building or acquiring the quiet, boring engines that create true financial freedom. If you found value in this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe to Money with AI, and drop a comment below letting us know which of these 20 businesses you would run. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.